Dance all night long, all night. Feel the beat, feel it strong, so strong. Move your body, never wrong, never wrong. We belong, we belong.
From the Super Falcons, standing tall on the world stage, to our athletes breaking record on the track, and Tigers building a basketball dynasty, our women have consistently made us proud. They have shown the world that when opportunity meets preparation, Nigerian excellence is inevitable. We owe you not just applause, but decisive action. That is why, under this administration, we are repositioning sports as a key pillar of our national development strategy and economic drive. Sports is not merely entertainment. It is infrastructure. It is education. It is diplomacy. It is a powerful tool for youth employment, economic transformation, and global engagement. On behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I want to extend special appreciation to the National Sports Commission under the leadership of Malam Shehu Diko. The Commission's renewed focus on athlete welfare, institutional reform, grassroots support, and performance-based development is already yielding results. Let this be a signal that we are on the right path. I'm very proud of you. I also commend the Nigerian Basketball Federation, led by a former basketballer, Malam Ahmadu Musa Kida, who also serves as the chairman of the NNPC Limited, for his consistency in team development, strategic planning, and sacrifices for Nigeria's glory. Malam Ahmadu is personally known to me, and I have known the resources, his personal resources that he had invested in the development of basketball in this our great nation. Malam Musa, we are most grateful. I congratulate and honor you on behalf of the government and the people of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. As a government, will ensure that Tigers and their technical crew are adequately recognized and rewarded, as well as the leadership of sports in Nigeria for their service to the nation. You have made us proud, and we will stand by you as you prepare for the global stage. To all our young people watching today, let the story of the Tigers remind you that greatness is a product of hard work, discipline, and belief. There's a video circulating of some middle-aged women that are being pushed to go to the football field. Nigeria belongs to those who dare to dream and are willing to give their best to make those dreams a reality. To the Tigers, you are champions. You are role models. You are pathfinders. You are true daughters of the land. It is my singular honor and pleasure and privilege to cherish forever, to make the following pronouncements on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Am I allowed to continue? OON National Honors for Team. OON National Honors for Team, Coach, and Technical Team. $100,000 for each player. It's not yet over. There are other goodies coming. $50,000 for coach and technical team, each member. And wait for the final icing on the cake. 1 plot each for players, coach, and technical team. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this is leadership. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has shown leadership by recognizing and rewarding our daughters who had excelled on the continental stage.
This is a moment that will forever inspire generations of Nigerian girls and women to dream big, boldly, and pursue greatness. It is a clear indication that hard work and teamwork is what it takes to succeed.